Today, I'm totally excited. I just got my most recent order from Home Chef. If you're not familiar with Home Chef, they are a prepared, semi-prepared meal delivery service where they send you all your ingredients and recipes to make meals. We ended up getting them because we usually end up buying a lot of groceries, then half of it goes to waste because you use some. Sometimes you forget to cook it. These guys, they send you exactly what you need for exact portions that you want. It is a delivery, like a subscription service, but you can set up weekly, bi-weekly, you can skip orders. Let's just look what's in the box and see how it comes. So first thing, inside your box, got some coupons, but you're gonna get all your menus for the meals that you ordered for the week. We ordered 5 different meals. The first one's gonna be French onion beef meatloaf with artichokes. As you can see, they send you what you're gonna get in your ingredients and then all the step-by-step instructions. If you are interested in trying Home Chef, there is a link in the description that will get you, I think 18, the promotion's changed, but there's an affiliate link that'll send you to whatever promo they're having at the moment. And as we're filming this video, it's 18 free meals, so you can give them a try relatively cheap. We're gonna try chicken chop suey. We got sesame crusted chicken cutlet and rice bowl. Now, this one should take you about 15 minutes to prepare. The ingredients are already sliced. You have to cook the chicken and the rice and the vegetables, but they're already cut up for you. The next one's going to be mozzarella stuffed turkey burger. We got Marsala mushroom smothered pork chop. That being said, those are the meals we picked out for the week. Let's see how they come in the box. So they come refrigerated. You're gonna go on the website and you can pick out how many meals, how many portions. This is gonna be for 2 people. We picked out 5 meals. So the first one, it's gonna be our hamburger. It's mozzarella stuffed turkey burgers. So you got your buns in there, you got your toppings, you got your cheese, you got your potatoes and all your individual ingredients that you're gonna need. Next one we got is, this is our artichoke. So this is for our artichokes in there. Here, look nice, fresh and packed. This is going to be for our French onion bacon meatloaf. This is going to be our meal, our chicken and rice bowl. This is going to be the one that's already cut up and portioned for you. So they got your carrots all pre-sliced for you. Your onions, looks like you have to cut that up yourself. Got your cabbage. Your pre-cooked, well, look like semi-cooked rice. I'm guessing you have to boil that one. I haven't looked at the recipe card yet. And you got the rest of the ingredients you're gonna need. They got some sesame seeds in here for the topping. This one is panko bread crust for your chicken. Mayonnaise, hot sauce, so little individual portions so you don't end up wasting anything. Let's see what else we got. Then we have some green beans for our Marsala pork chops. You got your garlic cloves in there. You got some Marsala wine to make your sauce with. And then this one's gonna be chicken chop suey. Like I said, nice fresh vegetables. You just dice them up, all 3 portions with your sauces. And last but not least, bottom of the box for the ice pack, you have your bag of protein. This is going to be all the different proteins that you use for your meals. They come out pre-weighed. So these are going to be our pork chops for our Marsala pork chops. Alright, so we're going to cook some of these up, see how they come out. Like I said, there is that affiliate link in the description. We do appreciate it. It supports the channel, and it should get you 18 meals for free. So hang out, we're gonna cook them up, cook some of this stuff up and see how it comes out. The first meal we decided to make was the French onion beet meatloaf. Comes with bacon and artichokes. On the back of this instruction sheet shows you exactly how to make it. So let's get started. First thing you got to do is rinse all of your artichokes. We have the bag of ingredients. Take a look at those. You got your artichokes, your cheese, your cream cheese for the sauce, your mayo, your crackers, your bacon bits, some scallions.
So let's go ahead and get all these ingredients together. Crunch those crackers up quite a bit so they'll be ready. Let's take them all out. Cheese, artichokes. All right, so while we're watching these artichokes, we have used quite a few different subscription food services. The ones we've used in the past are Butcher Box, which you're a big favorite of, Omaha Steaks, Thrive Market. Coming up in a little bit on the channel, we're going to do a Home Chef review. All of them have been pretty good. The one thing I did notice about this particular box was that I thought all the ingredients were going to be in here, but you do still need to have olive oil, salt, and pepper. Besides that, cutting up the ingredients probably took the most time. It says this meal takes about 45 minutes to make, and most of the time was cutting up the vegetables. Besides that, all the ingredients did look fresh. So this is actually the only meal we're going to cook for this video. But I'm sorry, this is the Home Chef. We're gonna do a Hello Chef here in a couple weeks. Then we'll be able to compare the two. So stick around. Maybe subscribe to the channel for that. We got all these vegetables cut up. On the right is going to be the scraps from the leftovers of the artichokes. Get them cut up. Besides that, there are a bunch of affiliate links in the bottom of the video to the different food boxes, like Omaha Steaks. You can now buy on Amazon. There's a link to that. Butcher Box, which we really like. There's $50 off your first order, so you can try them for free. Same thing with a couple of the other subscription boxes. These are our green onions. We're going to save those for later. Now let's get into, we got them all plated. We're going to drizzle our olive oil that we need at home. I'm going to give it little bacon bits, and then some onions, and then salt and pepper that we also had to have at our house. Doesn't come in the box. So just a reminder that you will need olive oil, salt, and pepper. We're going to get these laid out, and then we're going to prepare our meatloafs. So let's get that out of the way. Then need a mixing bowl for your meatloaf. Let's get the beef. Get that opened up real fast. Get the meat in the bowl. And gonna go for our saltine crackers. And some mayo, just as a little binder. Now it is convenient that they all come in little packages, so don't have a lot of waste going in there. Meatloaf seasoning, salt, and pepper. This all being said, this whole process took, it is sped up, but it probably took maybe 15 or 20 minutes to prep all the ingredients. We're going to get the meatloafs made into little loaves. It also comes with a little bit of a bacon glaze. I think it was a bacon jelly, what they called it. So that's going to go on top of your meatloafs to give it a little more flavor. Where's that bacon jelly at? There we go. Little container. And spread it around. Now, the cook time on this, it says 45 minutes total, but the cook time on it was about 20 minutes. It is convenient because you do get to cook them both at the same time. So let's start making our sauce. You do need water too. It's a cream cheese based sauce. So it comes with a cute little packet of cream cheese that is ready to go. You just kind of squeeze it in there. Bring it to a, oh, come on, get off there. There we go. All right, so you got your cream cheese and your water. You're going to add a little salt and pepper to it, then stir it all up. Sorry, this cream cheese doesn't come in the package. You're going to bring it to a simmer. Let's give it a second to heat up there. It's got to melt. You're going to bring it to a simmer, and then there's going to be some more cheese that you're going to add to it after it does simmer. All right, I guess water doesn't boil if you're staring at it, so let's just give it a minute, check back into it. Yeah, give it a little stir there. All right, so then it comes with this extra cheese. You're going to dump that in there. It's going to thicken up your sauce a little bit. Going to give it a little stir. Now, one thing we did forget to add for the video was our extra green onions. That would have made the sauce a little better. Let it heat up. I'd say overall the quality of the ingredients with Home Chef were pretty good. Now, our cooking skills weren't the greatest. We could have done a little bit better on the sauce, but it still tasted pretty good. Now, it's been about 20 minutes. Our stuff is right. It's a little hot in there. Our meal is ready to come out of the oven. So let's go ahead and get it on the plate. All right, so I hope you enjoyed it. Give Home Chef a try. Subscribe to our channel and stick around for more meat box videos.